Now, the next thing you'll be asked to do is to, if you've got two sets of brackets, to expand them and then simplify. That's represented here by take away. So we've got this number times this number minus this number times this number. So basically we're multiplying these two, and then subtracting. Sometimes it's easy if you think of adding negative numbers, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So let's see. So we'll separate. We'll expand this first. So we have x and 1, x and negative 7. So this becomes x squared minus 7x, x minus 7. So this expands to x squared minus 7x plus x minus 7, which becomes x squared. We simplify this to negative 6x minus 7. Okay, over here we're dealing with this now, so we've got x and 3 root 3, and then we've got x and negative root 3. So now this ends up being x squared minus root 3x plus 3 root 3x minus 3 times root 3 root 3. Now we'll simplify this. It becomes x squared minus 3x. A bit of a mistake there. Minus x. We'll make that a coefficient for our root 3. Plus 3 root. Make that 3x root 3. 3x root 3. Minus 3. I'm going to put in this root 3 times root 3 becomes 3, so 3 times 3. So this then will simplify to x squared plus 2x root 3, because these are like terms because of our x and our root 3, and then minus 3 times 3, so we end up with minus 9. And now what we do, we were looking at this, and then we are subtracting this. So what we can do, we can say, okay, we've got that minus that. Now, what we want to do is we want to basically take everything here. So we're going to write this out as x squared minus 6x minus 7. And then we're going to rewrite all of these, except we're going to change the sign, and that's because of this negative here. So it becomes minus x squared, because it's a positive. It's a positive 2x, so it becomes minus 2x root 3. It's a negative, so it becomes a positive because of that. So it becomes plus 9. And from there, we go off and we collect like terms. So x squared and minus x squared. So we've got no more x squared. So instead we've got negative 6x, and we've got negative 7, and plus 9, so it becomes plus 2. And then we're left with this minus 2x root 3. Now, what we can do with that is we can work with these two. Now, we can take a common factor of x. Now, I don't know what the book wants you to do. I think the book's okay if you stop it about here, but just in case, we'll take out a common factor of x. So we've got x, and then we've got negative 6 minus 2 root 3, and we've got a plus 2 there. So now, with that, we end up with, no, that's about all I think we could do. I'm happy to leave it at that point.